Welcome to Capital Guard. This is the risk manager. This is the account. This is a real account. So we're not playing with demos because we want to see how it acts on an actual real account. So what I'm going to look for now, I'm going to look for a sell here with a pending, and I'm also going to sell it right now at market. So we start with market, click on the market button here, and it wants me to tell me where to put my stop loss because that defines what type of trade it is. So let's say we set stop loss up here, far away from this one, or enough space. I would actually put it. So there's bearish candles. So above this bearish candle here, this one, right? Okay. So when I've done that, all I do is click on add. And now you can see down here, it added a 0.02 because gold is expensive, as you know, right? And so now I know that I have one risk. I have risk in 25.47. If it goes up and hit this stop loss, right? Now I'm also going to add a pending. So I click on pending. There, I get stop loss and where I want to put my pending really. And again, we want to sell, so we must move the stop loss to same level. And now it says sell stop here. So I put my sell here at this high here, right? And my stop loss sits above, so it knows it's sell, right? And I click add on this one. There. So now we see we have a pending order of 0.003 lots, and we have a active market order, just to show how it works. Then what you also can do, if you are on your phone, you click on pending orders. You do the same thing there. You drag your stop loss, your entry level. No matter if you do market order or pending order, it's always a pending order. The difference is if you want the market to be executed exactly at the current price, what you do then in comment, when you place your order, in the comment section, you put in an M for market order or P for pending order. That won't work unless you go into settings, and there. Order comment routing pending market. It's false right now, so it's not working. What it's doing right now is using only pending orders, because we have function for pending orders or market orders from sending trade from a phone. But if you are a trader that do both market orders and pending orders, right, you can have this as true for market orders and false for pending orders. But if you have a mix of them, you can set this one to true. Then you can tell the script what is the order you're sending. Is it a pending order or is it a market order? If it's a pending order, put a P in the comment and an M in the comment if it's a market order. If it's a small M or big M, doesn't matter, or small P or big P, doesn't matter really. It can read them both, right? So we have a function for traders that only do pending orders. They only have to focus on this one, right? Then this one will be off. Traders who only do market orders, this one, simple. You set one decision, but the EAN can't know what kind of order it is coming in, right? So therefore we added this function through. So that means now you decide. If you send a pending order, it's always pending order from your phone, and now you say, let's say you want to send a pending order, then you must put in a P in the comment, but the next trade may be a market order, then you put in an M in the comment and then send it. Then the dashboard knows if you are going to execute it directly or later. So that's a very neat function. Then what we also have added is, especially for me, actually, for doing gold, I'll show you what that is. You have you have, you see, they become small lot sizes for gold when you use risking like 1% on small accounts. So let's say now, for example, that I add an order that is 0.01 lot, and I have a stop loss that is pretty far away. So now the risk becomes 2%. I only allow 1%. That's a problem because the EA can't reduce risk with lot size because you're already at 0.01. And it's not allowed to move your stop. So what it will do, it will place the trades, and then it will send an alert, a pop-up on MT5, and also a notification to your phone. But to do that, you must have this activated. You go to Tools, Options, and you go to Notifications. And here, in your phone or application, you have a message ID. It looks a little different from between Android and Apple and so on. But you have this message ID, and you must put in it here. Otherwise, you won't get any messages, right? So if you are trading from a phone, you absolutely want to have this. Then it will tell you that we have placed a trade that is above the risk that you have set. Do you want to keep it or trade it? If you want to keep it, nothing needs to be done. If you don't want to keep it, you will have to manually close it because you have set an order that has much higher risk with the lowest lot size possible. The EA can't do anything. They can't change anything for you, right? So this one is good to have. And if you want to have all notifications, you put this one, right? This. Okay. So now I will get the notifications every time I overtrade, so to say, without knowing it, right? And it will also post a warning message in your journal tab here, telling you that you have a trade that is currently too much risk, and that gives you the option to take a decision: should I keep it or should I leave it as this? So that's two new good functions that we added yesterday. So you can trade safer and do this in a better way. Thank you for listening, and good luck with your trading.